Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can change the site style for your website on Squarespace, for example, to customize it. So let us get started right away. So head over to Squarespace, log into your account by clicking into this button in the top right corner, and inside your dashboard select the website you would like to edit. So let me go with this one here, click into go to website here. And after that, guys, let me just return to the previous menu. After that, click into website unit top left, and after that click into edit, or you may go into specific pages and edit these and the site style for each page specifically. So let me go with that home page here, for example, click into edit here, and basically guys, you can access the site styles menu by clicking into this icon or button in the very top right, and from here simply customize your site styles. Like for example, you can apply an overall color theme for your entire page, or you can adjust and customize the fonts, like for heading 1, heading 2, paragraph 1, and so on and so forth. You can customize the buttons appearance, forms, miscellaneous options. So let us go with each of these sections. So if you click into themes here, you'll be given the opportunity to apply a custom theme, for example, for an entire page. So let me go with this one here, and there you go. As you can see, that theme is going to be applied to basically all your page content, including all sections, all blocks, elements, and so on and so forth. If we head over to fonts, guys, you will be given the opportunity to change a different font for your headings and paragraphs. You may select one of these, for example, and see these changes applied here to the left. You may also go a bit more into the detail by clicking into customize here and select, for example, from the font pack with sans serif, serif, mixed, and so on and so forth, or go customize your headings specifically, your paragraphs, change the base size, and let me go into paragraphs, for example. So here you can customize your paragraphs, change the size for paragraph 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth, the line height, adjust the letter spacing. And then guys, what you want to do also is, for example, check this here, this section, miscellaneous, and after that adjust, like for example, animations for site elements, apply various animation effects like fade in, fade out, slide, scale, flex. So guys, as you can see, there's so much you can do. You can even add a cookie banner to your page if you like, for instance, and customize it in your site settings later. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you change and customize your page's site styles on Squarespace. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.